Xiaomi launched its new first clamshell-style design foldable phone in China called Xiaomi Mix Flip. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Xiaomi Mix Flip features a tall 6.86-inch 1.5K flexible AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 3000 nits of peak brightness support. There is another 4.01-inch secondary 1.5K flexible AMOLED display, and both the screens supports HDR10+ and Dolby Vision technology for better viewing experience, and on the top it is protected by Xiaomi Shield glass protection. The phone is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, paired with Adreno 750 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. As per the optics, the Xiaomi Mix Flip sports a Leica-back dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Light Fusion 800 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is another 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 8K videos at 24 frames per second. For selfies, it has 32-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with OV32B sensor, and it can record video up to 4K videos at 60 frames per second. The device comes equipped by a large 4780 mAh battery, with 67 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with HyperOS skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 167.5 by 74 by 7.8 millimeters, and when it is folded it measures at 74 by 74 by 16 millimeters, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Xiaomi Mix Flip has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from July 23rd, in black, white, and phantom purple color options, and there is another Phoenix Feather Fiber edition as well. So, what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Mix Flip smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
We'll be right back.